So let's finally begin with the webinar. First, I'm going to guide you. Let me just, yeah. Okay, first I will be guiding you what all we will be covering in the webinar today. Okay, so first, we are going to see the importance of TEF or TCF examination. Number two, why you should take this examination, which is TEF, TCF, TCFQ, all these examinations, why you should take them. Number three, what are the different types of exams? As in, you must have seen some people ask us TEF, some people ask us TCF, some people say TEFQ, some people say TCFQ. So what are the different types of exams and what is their purpose? Who should give which exam? Number four, what is the pattern of examination? What is the structure in which the examination comes? Number five, DALF versus TEF, TEFAQ examination. So you know what happens? These are two different proficiency tests. One is DELF, another is TEF. So this is, this is a very important question which people ask us. What is the difference between two? We are going to see that. Number six, we are going to see what are the authorized centers and what is the fees of TEF and TCF examination specifically in India. Okay, because most of you who are present with us, they are from India right now, but there might be people who are there from abroad as well. But we are going to see what are the authorized centers in India. Okay, the next one, the most important, what we are going to see, how many points you can earn, how many CRS points you can earn by giving this examination, TEF, TCF. What are the CRS points which add in your file? Okay. Okay, we have people from UAE as well. Yes, I know, but I'm saying the majority of them are from India. Okay. Now the next one, what are the tools? What are the books you should use, and how you should prepare for the examination? This one. The next one, who all should give this exam? This exam is beneficial for which sector of people? Okay. The next one and the last one we are going to see, I am going to take all your doubts personally. That would be a totally Q&A session. All your doubts would be resolved at the end. Although you can, send me all your doubts during the webinar as well. Good to go? Let's begin with it. And the first one, we are going to see why, basically, what is the importance of TEF and TCF examination? So see, there are plenty of job opportunities which are available in the market if you know French. If you are a French language expert, then there are so many job opportunities which are available in the market. But then they would always require a certain level of qualification. Your employers will always want that you prove to them how much do you know. Okay, because as a learner, you know that you know the language, but how will your employer get to know about it? Only by giving a proficiency test, which is valid globally. Only then your employer can know about you. Okay, how much do you know? Another thing, it will put you ahead of others in any employment. Here, I would give you an example. Let's say there are two people who are sitting in recruitment for same job opportunity. So this has been seen in previous recruitments as well. A person who knows French, who has given French language proficiency test, has more chances of being selected. So in any employment, if you know an additional language, not even French, not just French, I would say any foreign language, if you know, you get some additional points. Yeah, you get preference in comparison to the person who doesn't know it. Number three, it is important that you sit for proficiency test. We are also going to discuss about different proficiency tests in a while. So I'll tell you what kind of certifications and which person should give which proficiency test. Okay. Now, there are so many proficiency tests, as I told you, DILF, DELF, DALF, then you have TEF, you have TCF, so many are available in the market. Which person should give which one? Okay. Navdeep says, is it the same webinar that you conducted? Yes, Navdeep, it is the same webinar that we conducted on 20th of December. But the only difference is, in the end, I'm going to talk about the batch which is going to begin from 6th of March. So there are some additional benefits which we did not give to the people who joined with us in January. So there are some additional benefits that we are going to give today. All right. So you can just be with us. So next one, what is TEF? The full form of TEF is Test d'évaluation de français. Now this test was started by Paris, Île-de-France, CCI in the year 1998, and it was officially recognized by the French ministry in 2012. It is an exam which tests you on all the 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. That means when you appear for your TEF examination, you need to appear for all the 4 tests, just like you do in IELTS. In IELTS, it is for English. You are tested on all the 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Similarly, here in TEF, you are tested on all the 4 skills. Okay. One of the most prestigious and officially recognized examination by Canada, by Canadian government and by French government and by other governments from, I would say, from Francophone countries. French is not only spoken in France and Canada, it is spoken in other countries also. It is spoken in Algeria. It is spoken in 31 countries in African continent. Then we say it is spoken in Luxembourg. So, it is, and I would like to tell you, it is the only language which is spoken in all the 7 continents of the world. Okay, so it is recognized, officially recognized by the government there. Let's move on to the next slide, and here I would like to talk about why you should give this examination. Okay, so see, each year there are so many students who go to France for their education, for their bachelor's degree, for their master's degree. And if those people, they are going for a French taught program, let's say I'm a student, I live in India, I'm a student and I go to France tomorrow for any program, for any bachelor's program which is taught in French. How will I understand if I do not know French? And if I know French, how will the people from university, they believe that I know French? You have to appear for the examination, which is known as TEF, which officially tells the people that yes, you know the language. Number 1. Number 2, the people who are aiming to immigrate to Canada, they get some additional points after taking the TEF examination because it is one of the official languages over there. Okay. Another thing, as I told you, it is recognized internationally by employers and universities in France, Canada, other Francophone countries.